I was about 50
Sir.
when this happened. I remember being extremely disturbed because I feared that it would. I could not pinpoint why I feel this, but I did feel that the passengers and the pilot had been through an absolute.
Within the first week, the kind of response that you're getting, it's absolutely phenomenal. I mean, you've actually taken reactions from everyone within the industry also. Audience reaction bhi aap tak pahuncha hai. Did you actually believe that this is what's going to be such an instant response?
No, yeah, when you release something, you're hoping that people like it.
Yeah.
And, it'll be too pompous to imagine that something like this will happen, this kind of response. But as it pours in, it is overwhelming. It makes you feel smaller, actually. The amount of love that has been offered to us so far is outstanding. And I'm absolutely grateful. Can I just stand up and thank all these people?
Please do, sir. Please do. And this absolutely...
Pankaj bhai, Nasir bhai, aap sab log. Thank you. Thank you for doing this.
Nasir Saab, I was in 99 when this incident was happening. मैं इसी hotel में bellboy था. I mean, Taj. Remember that morning, that newspaper, the headlines and the entire country and everybody was completely engrossed in it. Do you remember 99 when this incident was happening, when you were doing this series? Did it come to you from memory? Because you've seen a lot, and did that actual incident play in your head?
I can't say that I was about 50
Sir.
when this happened, end of the previous century. I remember being extremely disturbed because I feared that it would provoke another wave of Islamophobia, and luckily at that time it didn't. But I remember feeling terribly concerned about the situation and what it would lead to. And there was a feeling of ambivalence at the end when the whole crisis was resolved, because I was left with a feeling of unease when the deal was struck. I could not pinpoint why I feel this, but I did feel that the passengers and the pilot had been through an absolutely horrifying time, and this was no closure. This is what I remember feeling. While playing it, of course, I've never been in a crisis management meeting or anywhere near any of these things. But what appealed to me was the thought of playing with all these wonderful actors. It just seemed like being in heaven to be with 7, 8 actors who you love and admire. I can't think of any happier situation than that. So I don't think I recalled any of what I felt at that time.
But heavenly for us also, sir, to see all of you together. Thank you for actually deciding to do this. Pankaj sir, thank you for deciding to do this, because I heard that initially, was there a chance, was there a time jab aapne socha tha ki nahi, this series is not going to happen, but then you became a part of it?
See, I would say that I'm somebody who goes through the entire script.
Ji.
And because Anubhav told me that it's about 200 pages, and I was short on time, so I wondered whether I'll be able to go through those 200 pages before I address the character that is being offered to me. But with God's grace, I managed to go through them. And I was really... but I was really, really impressed with the writing. I felt it was a very taut screenplay and very well-written script, which is why I wanted to be a part of it. And in any case, I have a kind of soft corner for this gentleman. I've worked in a couple of films with him earlier. Even otherwise, he's like a younger brother to me. So once he offered me, he was half apologetic about it. But once I read the screenplay, I thought it was a very good series to be a part of. That's how I landed over there. And when I got to know that these are the actors who are going to be part of it, it was really, as Nasir Saab said, that was a pleasure to be among all of them.
Absolutely, absolutely. अनुभव सर, आपको सौरव गांगुली वाली फीलिंग नहीं आई कभी, जिनकी टीम में सचिन, द्रविड़, सहवाग, वीवीएस, जहीर खान सब भरे पड़े हैं? Almost, because this is just amazing. I haven't seen a project like this before.
Actually, when we were finishing casting, it didn't feel like, once the poster came out, then even to me it looked like, so in the room I had these 9 or 10 fantastic actors, and I had to. So you're dealing with targets. You have to finish X number of scenes every
जी,
day.
बिल्कुल.
And then you have to, and they're all different kinds of, इनकी preparations अलग हैं. So all that energy, and it was something very organic that was going on. And I just was a fly on the wall, and I was just watching them, and मैं बीच बीच में वो fly उड़ के जाती थी, एक कैमरा लगा के आ जाती थी, फिर दूसरा कैमरा लगा के आ जाती थी. And it was like I was telling somebody the other day, I was this child in the room who was catching butterflies, and they were flying all around me. It's probably the most memorable experience of 31 years of directing, those 6 days. It was outstanding.
Wow, that's a statement. Out of such a long career that you have had, Anubhav, to be actually saying that, it's remarkable.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.